Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration, and just to unmute your ringtone you should swipe this blue dot to the right side with your finger, and as you can see here the ringtone is unmuted now. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just here on the right side of our device we got the volume buttons. Just press one from the volume button, go here to the settings icon, and by the same way just swipe this blue dot to the right side, tap here to done, and by this way you can unmute your ringtone. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.